Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate text in CapCut PC. So there are like around 3 ways to do that. Go to text and add in your default text and just type in anything that you'd like. I'm just going to go with the default text here, and I'm also going to change the color here. Just going to select this really neon green, and I'm just going to add a glow as well. Okay. Once you're done, the first way is you can use keyframes. So if you went to position and size here, added a keyframe here, and then here maybe you moved it here, and then here you moved it there, it's going to move. You can also use the animations from the text itself here. There is the in animation, there's an out animation. There's like a loop animation as well, and you can also adjust the speed and the duration of everything here. Or you can, let me just turn off all the animations here and turn off the keyframes, or just like delete them. Right click, create compound clip, go to animation, and here you can add even more animations using the video one. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!